What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, not a lot to talk about today, not a lot of news happening in terms of Shiba Inu. Yes, we are super excited about the metaverse. There are some small things that we should discuss, but I'm just going to take some time, give you guys my thoughts about what's going on in the market, just spitballing some ideas, where I think we are going to go, and of course some price predictions for you all. If you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I do apologize for the inconsistencies in the upload schedule recently, guys. I have been swamped, acutely swamped, a lot going on for me in my personal life, so I do apologize about that, but I will try to do better as we move forward because there is so much happening here in 2022 when it comes to the cryptocurrency market. A lot to be excited about and also a lot to be cautious about. So let's talk about a couple of things. First and foremost, Shiba Inu. Let's just take a look at the price action on the day. I love what I am seeing, a lot of consolidation. If we go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, essentially the same exact thing happening. Ethereum has been hovering around that $3,500 mark for quite some time, and on the day it is no different. Shiba Inu in these 2.6s. This range is absolutely lovely to see. If we zoom out just a little bit on the 7-day chart, again, not a whole lot happening. There is a lot of intraday volatility, but the more you zoom out, the more you recognize that, hey, we are in this large period of consolidation. Things are just winding up, and that explosion in price is going to happen sooner rather than later. And again, once you zoom out into the 1-year chart, you can really see this in full picture. We had this huge boom back in October, and a lot of people ask me, Rigor Mortis, are we going to see an explosion in price like we did back in October, or is it going to be a slow, steady, gradual rise as we get back to all-time highs? Well, there's a difference of opinion when it comes to the hypothesis as to how we are going to move. First and foremost, something that we have to recognize that, guys, the narrative has to change, and it has been changing. Shiba Inu is simply no longer a meme token. A lot of people come on here and they're like, yeah, Shiba Inu is going to hit a penny, it's going to hit a cent, it's going to hit $1. Yeah, we can talk about those price predictions. That is like super, super long term, and that comes with very steady and reasonable bona fide burns. But when it comes to Shiba Inu in its current state, we can't talk about it like that anymore. Just because it is called Shiba Inu and just because it comes from a meme background doesn't mean that's how it's going to move in the future. I think to get these big investors on board, some of these guys that really take a look at the technology when it comes to cryptocurrency, we have to change the narrative. And we have been. Because right now, if you just go and ask a layperson, or even somebody that's heavily invested into cryptocurrency, what Shiba Inu is, they're just going to say it's a meme token, right? No utility, doesn't really do anything. Maybe it has a swap or something like that, but fundamentally doesn't do anything, right? And that is completely wrong. Fundamentally, Shiba Inu has so much going on. But before we talk about that and how we are going to move for this year, I gotta give a huge shout out to Webull. You guys don't know, I am a Webull affiliate, and guess what, guys? This month, Webull actually extended their biggest promotion yet. When you use my affiliate link, open up a brokerage account with Webull. All you have to do is deposit just 1 cent, folks. 1 penny is all they are asking for. You are going to get 5. You heard that correctly. 5 free stocks guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. The value of those 5 free stocks can be all the way up to $9,600. Obviously, you do have to be a little bit lucky to get that combined value, but nonetheless, you open up an account, deposit just 1 cent, you are going to get 5 free stocks. On top of that, they are doing a cryptocurrency promotion. When you do your first cryptocurrency transaction, which can be as little as $1 on Webull, you are going to get $5 back in a cryptocurrency of your choice. And of course, they do have Shiba Inu now on Webull, so Shiba Inu can be one of those choices. So make sure you guys check out that affiliate link in the description below. More information on that in that link. Open up that brokerage account, deposit just 1 cent, get those 5 free stocks, do a cryptocurrency transaction for $1, get your $5 in cryptocurrency. Free money on the table for you guys for doing that. So back to Shiba Inu. Guys, the narrative is completely different this year. Things have changed dramatically. Before, we were talking about SHIBASWAP and we were talking about centralized exchange listings. Now what are we talking about? We're talking about Shibarium. We're talking about Shib the metaverse, which, by the way, people have been locking up their leash and Shiboshis like crazy, which is absolutely incredible to see. More information on that in a future video. We're talking about SHIBASWAP V2. We're talking about Wellies. talking about being the name or the brand behind the fashion industry. There is just so much more that we are talking about. So whenever I'm seeing this wind up right here, I'm seeing this area of consolidation, I think a couple of things can happen. Are we going to see this explosion in price? Well, this is very meme token-esque, guys. Whenever we see these really big booms in price, like we're moving hundreds of percent on a day, that's very, very meme token-esque. And we're not going to have that sustainable growth if we continue to move like that. So yes, it could happen because Shiba Inu is going to do its thing. Once the masses start holding on to it, once those news outlets start writing the articles about Shiba Inu, yeah, it can have these explosions in price. But more practically, more reasonably, what's going to happen is we are going to see a nice, slow and steady growth as the crypto market grows. The whales that are moving into Shiba Inu right now, are they looking for these explosions in price? I highly doubt it. What they're looking for is a token that they think that that's going to do well in the long term. Otherwise, they wouldn't be pouring millions upon millions of their own Ethereum dollars into Shiba Inu. They have to think that it's going to do well long term. And those sentiments I share. If Shiba Inu was called something else, if it had like a really catchy tech name, it would be doing so much better because all of these big crypto investors would already be in. But just because it comes from a meme token background, people are skeptical. But we have to change the narrative. And it starts with the community, us in the community saying, hey, yes, Shiba Inu can have these explosions in price, but more practically, guess what? It's going to move with the broader cryptocurrency market and things are going to take time. Do I think Shiba Inu is going to hit a cent? Yes. How long do I think that's going to take? A very, very, very long time. And it's heavily dependent on whether or not we continue to see growth in the broader cryptocurrency market. But more short term, do I think Shiba Inu is going to kill or eat another one of these zeros? Yeah, I think that's going to happen too. But obviously, these things are going to take time, folks. To hit that $60 billion market cap that we've been talking about so much on my channel, it's not just going to happen overnight. Back in October, back in May, yeah, we would have talked about it as an overnight phenomenon because it was such a strong meme token at that point. But now it's following the broader market. We have good fundamentals. We have a really strong community backing. Guess what? I think we are going to get there eventually. So that is my price target for the year 2022. I think we will get there eventually, but it's going to take time. But the narrative has completely shifted. Things are way, way, way different than they were back in May. So when we see this area of consolidation, yes, we could see this big boom like Shiba Inu likes to do, or we can just continue to see this nice, slow and steady growth that I think is going to get us back to all-time highs and even past all-time highs eventually. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Like I said, a late night upload for you all today. Please make sure, folks, that you understand that I am by no means a financial advisor. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I'm in. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much once again for watching all the way to the end. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene, folks. Peace out.